we're going to the 11th grade, so they want to know how we doing. 18. Get out the video.
I woke up this morning like I gotta get going. Tomorrow's not promised, so I live in the moment. It's a good day to have a good day. It's a good day to have a good day. I woke up this morning like I gotta get going. Tomorrow's not promised, so I live in the moment. It's a good day to have a good day. It's a good day to have a good day. Woke up this morning with my mind on my money. Hard work paying off. I don't owe nobody nothing.
What's up, guys?
It's your girl Ashley.
It's Akaya, and you're caught in the mix.
Today we have our special guest, MirandaVideos. Make sure you go subscribe. The link will be linked down below. So what are we doing today, Miranda? Today we're going to be talking about our high school experience and what we are doing so far. So guys, I know you guys want to know like how old we are, what grade we're in, how far is high school. So we're all in the 11th grade, and we're just gonna answer some questions, ask each other some questions, you know, get to see how our different experiences. High school so far has been, it's been okay. It's been okay, yeah. Yeah, it could be some fun time. Yeah, it could be way better. But some fun time, sad time, bad time.
Like, the good things is having friends, of course.
Yeah.
And having people to share it with. One of the bad things that I hate about the school I go to in high school is dance.
You what? Yeah. We don't get to do the type of dance that we want to do. Yeah. And it's getting pretty old and pretty boring.
Like, you know your school dance is bad if you feel embarrassed to do it in front of everybody else.
We get laughed at, kept no baby, no. And I wasn't so much blaming on the teacher, I would blame it on us for one. You know? Because if you really want something, you'll work at it to get it. If we want to be
But some of that blame does go to the teacher. Because when we do say something, like we want something different, she'll be like, well, no, you know? Even when somebody do speak up. So that's why people are scared to speak up, because she never.
Like, let's say our differences from 9th grade and 10th grade. 9th grade was my best year. Like, it's like, well, not my best year, but like the most low key year. 10th grade when all the drama, messiness happened, a lot of things happened. Yeah. And, you know, you learn your lessons and all that. I'm just ready for 11th grade.
I would say
I'm ready to boss up. Yeah. Okay. And,
I would say 10th grade has been my best year so far. And the other picture. Did somebody pass the syrup? Okay, so like I was saying, 10th grade has been my best year so far. Yeah, mine.
Yeah.
Because 9th grade,
it's been fun. 10th grade been great.
all my friends don't go to overseas. So I was like some of the only few. And the people that did go to middle school with me, we really didn't hang out. So I had to find friends 9th grade year, 10th grade year. I basically was chipping off my friends then.
I love Ashley. The first impression of Ashley was her makeup. She always came to school, her makeup did every day. I was like, it's so ugly. No, her makeup was did every single day. Girl. We used to laugh, get in trouble all the time. With negativity.
Alright. Yeah. I think 10th grade year was my best year because 9th grade year, I didn't know nobody at the school. Well, I thought I wasn't going to know anybody. I was going to school alone. First of all, I didn't like the school. I thought the school was ugly. And I wanted to go to school.
Ugly. It is. It is ugly.
And I was like, I do not want to go here. But I ended up being forced going there. So, it was hard my first day.
Yeah, like, everybody from Colonial, I knew went to Overton, like, and I'm like, everybody, I'm going to Germantown, I'm going to my section, but then I see everybody there, and I'm like, but I still was anti towards them, I don't really like folks.
So what is that?
I mean, like, I used to be really anti 9th grade with some folks. In 10th grade is when I got out there. Start talking to folks really. Okay, what would you like to change about like 10th, 12th grade year? I want to be an art student. I want my GPA to be like higher than I want to get that so I can get all the stars. Are you taking AP classes next year? Why? That's how you get your GPA high. I'm taking 2 next year. I already got assignments. I got them.
But I want to change that. I want to like boss up. I want to have my last week. I have the clubs. I want to give me a car, a job.
But this next year, I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. Next year, I'm just keep my eyebrows arched, mascara, lip gloss. I look better like that. That was my first year, me trying to fit in and stuff.
Girl, hey, y'all remember? I do remember you came to school on the first day of school for uniform.
Girl, everybody,
This girl had a whole uniform on. When I tell y'all,
A uniform?
yes, she thought we was in uniform.
and I swore up and down.
The girl
Xavier told me, he was like, Ashley, we're not in uniform. I was like, yes, we are. Because the last year they was, and I didn't know.
And she was arguing with everybody. Everybody like, girl, where you from? And they're like, yes, we do.
And then I ain't had no jacket, so I was using my backpack to cover it up.
Yes, the girl was us. I knew that. And her seat like this.
What did you wear
looking
around?
I wear a white shirt.
Khaki pants, the short.
No, it was some blue pants. With some blue
yeah, with like the little
striped shoes.
Yeah, I remember the whole little outfit.
And I had them fat braids in my hair. I think I got a picture in my home. Okay, how did we meet?
Okay, I met Ashley in Dr. Ho's grade class. Then I met her later on and then I was like, what girl?
That's the girl I was laughing at.
Right, and we just grew a bond from there. I met Sakaya at lunch when she came out. I was like, who is this girl? I was like, you know, take somebody's seat at first, and then I was like, okay, let me see what's on
Oh, yeah.
So we just started talking
I remember
then,
that.
and that's how we got to know each other from lunch. And then days I saw her, I was like, oh, hey, Sky, she was so quiet.
Yeah.
Who did I take?
Oh,
Nice.
I took somebody.
she's somebody's seat, and you and that person kept on pushing seats like every day. Like, we used to be so scared to go to the back cafeteria. We used to be in front of the cafeteria.
Because Michaela told me to. She was like, oh, hey, you need to come sit with us for lunch.
Yeah.
I was like, okay.
Michaela. We're gonna share Michaela.
Yeah.
Michaela out too.
Yeah.
So what y'all want to do after school?
Go to college.
Yes, go to college. I want to major in business and marketing because I want to own my own businesses and venture out, be an entrepreneur. And I want to minor in dance. I still want to be.
I want to minor in dance too. I want to major in biology, but I'm a minor in dance.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
What?
Business and minor.
Yeah.
What type of business are y'all thinking?
Like clothes.
Yeah, I want to have my own clothing line, lash
Oh, yeah, we
line,
talked about
makeup,
that.
all of it. Even though I don't wear weave, but I still wear it though. Well, I like sell it though. I put a little wig on.
Yeah, you gotta market your stuff, Miranda.
Yeah. Have you guys ever screwed up everything, but no one ever found out it was y'all?
Probably so. Let me think what I probably did.
Okay, so I was in LA, and I was doing a dance gig with the team, but it was only me and somebody else, and so it was supposed to be like a VR thingy, a VR video or game or something, and Facebook and something else was like ahead of it, and it was like paying me, and so every time we did a shot, I was like switching between I have my glasses and I don't. And then so that was like, and then they was like, hold on. And they came to me, they was like, so was you wearing your glasses or was you not? I was like,
wait, I don't get it.
every time we shoot, they're gonna supposed to add it together and it's gonna be different. Cause one time I have my glasses and one time I don't. And so I was like, oh shoot, I've been switching them. Like, they was like, it's okay. I never seen it came out. I never seen it come out. I was like, oh, I probably screwed it up. And I only was there for 3 days, so I was like,
I don't got no memory of this.
I know I done screwed up something, but I don't know what.
What? Okay, if y'all had to change y'all name, what would it be? Cause anyway, it's weird like our parents
I
don't
don't
want
want
your
your
right name, but what would
I
your
don't
name
want to
be?
change my name.
Me neither. I like my name.
I'm
Not
gonna
a lot
say
of people have Sakai as a name.
Show down. Or Miranda. I barely people with Miranda.
Miranda sings.
Yeah, Miranda sings.
That's it. That's all Miranda I heard of.
Yeah, and Miranda cosplay.
It's Miranda on my Snapchat. I be thinking it's you, but she be in the mansion. I'm like,
I know that. You know what I mean?
she just be chilling in her mansion. I be like, that's not my Miranda.
If
Y'all
y'all,
soon to be.
yeah, soon to be, you know, soon to be cool. If y'all had to lose a body part, what would it be?
My hand.
Y'all hand?
My pink.
Your pinky?
We really don't use our pinky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't use my pinky at all. That's smart. That's smart.
Yeah.
And what's the craziest thing a teacher has done to y'all?
When she told me to put my phone up, because I was faking like I was on it. I was like this. But remember, I had put it in my backpack and zipped my backpack up. And I turned around, I was picking at my nails. And she was like, give it here. Give it here. And I was like, get what here? And she said, turn around. And I did this and went under my hand. And she got mad. She's like, where the phone? And I unzipped my backpack and shut on my phone. And she was like, she couldn't say nothing.
Mine was, I got two actually. We was all laughing together, whatever. She don't bust me out in front of the whole class. Some Miranda, and I'm like, I'm looking at her like, I know you. I wasn't trying to bust y'all out, but I'm like, I know you hear them too. I got mad. Then I had a whole little conference with her and my mama. Talking about some mean ass, and she don't tell mama. Her little friend asked her to play too much, and all that. Oh, she get on my nerves. And
But now how she be trying to speak to me in the hallway. But like she was making a big scene. Like me and Keenan was the only people doing our project, but it was wrong. But it wasn't even assigned by our class. I had asked her, could we do it for extra credit? And she was like, yeah, you could do it, but it's wrong. You could do it, but when we did it, ours was wrong. So she was like, I give y'all 5 points to y'all final exam. So we was like, okay. Two more, she gonna say 3. I'm like, hold on, what you going down for? No, and then she just made a big thing. Y'all project's wrong anyway, and y'all. I'm like, but we're the only two people in the whole entire class to do it.
How y'all do it wrong?
right.
We didn't. I didn't. My stuff broke in first period, so
Baby, my
second
bad.
period,
I got a bottle, put some grass from outside, a few little animals, and said I got a grass one. And she gave me 103 for this. Let me tell y'all, in middle school, in 6th grade, I got put out to class for laughing. I had this old lady math teacher.
I thought this was a bug.
I had this old lady math teacher, right? And so I was sitting in the class laughing at my friend. So she said, stop talking and laughing, da da da. And so my friend said something. And I was on one in the class. I was going to town laughing and everything. And so she said, so you want to keep laughing? I'm like, I can't laugh. No, get out my classroom. So I'm standing at the classroom like, boys coming back. I'm up here like this.
That's how we were
And
down
mind you,
there.
that day my hair was a little bad. Oh, so I'm like, ooh, and all that. And then she would come out there trying to sauce me. Now you gonna do that. So I'm looking at her like, girl, get out of my face.
I do that all the time. The teachers be trying to make a big scene, and I'm like, I don't care. But dang well I care.
That reminds me of a teacher in the 4th grade. This substitute, she was like, don't laugh, don't cough, don't breathe. I'm like, what the? That's what you do. And then so she we was laughing because we was watching a movie. She was like, that off. And then so
Bad off.
here she go, so y'all gonna laugh? I'm finna give y'all work. And then she just gave everybody like 2 sheets of work. And then so she only gave me 1. And I was like, she only gave me 1. And so I finished it and I'm just looking around. Everybody's still doing that. So I was like, well, since I ain't get the other one, I'm just gonna go back up there and ask for it. And so I went back up there and I was like, hey, I didn't get the other one. So I turned in that sheet and I said, I didn't get the other one. She was like, oh, so you want my work? Oh, I'm gonna give you my work. Oh. And then she got a whole packet. And then she gave me the whole packet. Do that, you have 15 minutes. I went over there, I only finished like one page, and here she go, "Are you done? Are you done?" I'm like, "No, it's a whole packet." And then here she go, "Well, you the one who asked for work?" And she over here yelling in my face. I started crying. I'm like, "Girl, yeah, I'm not famous."
Well, when I went to Columbus like the first year, I was kind of there. I know nobody, so I'm like new to this. And so it was like towards the end of the school year, and I had this teacher called, I don't know, Miss DeWeese or something. Okay, and so yeah, so I'm sitting in the classroom on my phone. I heard a call to somebody, and here goes him. I'm calling. He was like, "Is this Miss West? I'm calling about this other girl nice." I'm talking about somebody else, girl. So my mama thinking that it's me. So I'm up here a little scared. And so he was like, "I'm sorry, it's the wrong number." So when I get home, I'm up here, my mama texts me like, "Baby, so you in trouble at school now?" So I'm like, "What?" I get home. I'm in my room trying to clean up, trying to be like, "Ooh, I hope I get in trouble." I know I ain't did nothing. She come in the room slow as ever. Open, she busted the door open. She gonna look at me and bust out laughing. She go, "Girl, nah, I know that man didn't call me about you." I'm up here scared for no reason. Girl. Cause I know this dude is not to scam my mama. School food. Here at our school food is bad.
At every school, well, at most schools.
Friday, baby. Everybody be that line. So
Right.
Get them shows. Friday, baby. People be in the line you ain't never seen before.
Right. I'll
They
be
be-
there 10 minutes after, it still be a whole line. I'm like,
Right.
It'd be like people you ain't talked to since middle school. "Hey, Ash, you remember me?" Getting in front of me, I be,
I want to see everybody learn.
I'll do it though. While I'm talking about them, I'll do it.
But thank you guys for watching this video.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And now we're gonna do post notification shout outs. Our post notification shout out of the day is Harmony.
We also have another post notification shout out to Jaden. Alright, that's all we have for you guys today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel.
Yes, subscribe to
box
mine.
below.
Subscribe to mine also.
Yeah.
Subscribe to ours.
Ours, yeah, mine too. Bye.
Bye. And don't forget to comment down below what videos should we do next, because we need ideas.
Hey guys.
Bye, Mixer.
A good day. Woke up this morning with my mind on my money. Hard work paying off. I don't owe no